Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about my new hair. But for now, subscribe now to YouTube channel. Kung gusto kong mag-like, shares, comments, and views, aabutin ng 500 subscribers. I-support na natin ang social media. But for our latest vlog, 236 episode 236 entitled My Haircut Journey. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Ano ka nangyari last Wednesdays para sa akin? Watch this. New hair, new style. Okay, eto na. Papanoonin muna natin last Wednesday, October 11. Kasi sayang, dapat was supposed last Tuesday, October 10. Kaya lang, maraming tao. Ang daming tao para sa 10-10 haircut. Pero, last Wednesday, October 11, yan ay cut hair day para sa isik na buhok na yun. Ayan, o, may isik na yun ang buhok. Sa isang salon in Caloocan at 4:30 p.m. And then, after that, nagsimula na yung haircut. Ang itsura pala, parang si Moira ng abot kamay ng pangarap. Abot kamay ng pangarap pala. Pinky Amador pa more. Ngayon, medyo okay naman. At medyo, from long hair to short hair, eto na. Yan. Masarap at maganda pa rin. After cut hair, pumunta ako sa isang Primark para kumain ng McDo. Gusto ko kumain ng Twister fries and my favorite, Big Mac. Parang Jollibee Chow. Thank you po sa papera. And of course, syempre, pwede kayo si Mommy, kasama si Mommy after ng haircut. And syempre, kumain ng McDo. Syempre, McFlurry, pineapple. Pero bawal kasi yung cookie kasi baka may UTI mo ulit. At pauwi na ng 5:45 p.m. Yan, tapos na. Yan, a new hair, new cut hair. Thank you po and hope to see you next time. Pag na long hair na ako ulit. At tumbang yan. Yan. Thank you and we love you. Now, oras na para sa atin another new Music Friday Philippines today. Okay, sa ating new Music Friday for today's video, new song from Asia Samber, Regine Velasquez, Alcacid, a cover of Roxette's It Must Have Been Love. Plus, Jason Derulo and Mega Trailer and Sakta Butlong James Reid, Camino Cabello para sa pelikula Trolls Band Together will be showing next week na October 20, Friday. And yung mga kantang bagong-bago like Rick Astley, alam na, Rick Astley, yung kumanta na Never Gonna Give You Up, may bago na kanta for year 2023. And of course, yung mga kanta hits nasa Spotify Philippines account na. Kaya yan po ating latest vlog for today's video. Thank you Spotify